During every growing season, many of us face a common enemy, plant diseases like blight and powdery mildew. These pesky problems can wreak havoc on our precious cucumber seedlings, tomatoes, and various vegetables, leaving us frustrated and disappointed. But fear not. Today, I'll share with you a simple yet powerful remedy to combat these plant diseases and keep your garden thriving. Let's start by understanding what blight and powdery mildew are. Blight is a fungal disease that thrives in warm, humid conditions. Its telltale signs include brown spots on leaves, a powdery coating underneath the leaves, and rotting fruit. Powdery mildew, another fungal disease, affects a wide range of plants, including fruit trees, vegetables, and ornamentals. It appears as a white, powdery substance on the surface of leaves, stems, and fruits, causing reduced yield and quality of produce and weakening the plants. Now, onto the remedy. You'll need just two simple ingredients, milk and baking soda. Yes, you heard that right. Ordinary milk and baking soda from your kitchen can work wonders for your plants. Here's how. First, mix 1 deciliter of milk with 1 liter of warm water. Milk contains proteins and enzymes that can inhibit fungal growth and reduce their harmful effects on plants. When sprayed onto your plants, it creates a favorable environment for beneficial microorganisms to thrive, which in turn helps fight off fungal infections and boost plant resistance. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the mixture. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, alters the pH environment on the leaves, making it difficult for fungi to survive and spread. Regularly spraying your plants with this solution can alleviate disease symptoms and prevent further spread, keeping your garden healthy and vibrant. Make sure to mix the ingredients thoroughly to ensure the baking soda dissolves completely in the milk water solution. Once mixed, pour the solution into a sprayer and apply it to your plants as needed. It's that simple. But wait, there's more. Not only does this remedy help combat plant diseases, but milk and baking soda also provide valuable nutrients for your plants. They're rich in protein, sodium, calcium, and potassium, serving as an excellent supplement to support plant growth and development. So, the next time you notice signs of blight or powdery mildew creeping into your garden, reach for milk and baking soda instead of harsh chemicals. Not only are they effective, but they're also safe and eco-friendly alternatives for pest management. So if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like the video and drop any questions in the comments section. Wishing you abundant harvests and thriving seedlings. Stay tuned for more gardening tips in our upcoming videos.